Cryptocorynes. Hello and welcome to this video. Once again, you are in my fish tank because we're looking at another aquatic plant for today. So today's plant is Cryptocoryne Wentdi. It's also referred to sometimes as Wentdi's water trumpet. Wentdi was the botanist who first wrote this up. And water trumpet because it's actually a member of the Araceae family, the same family that philodendrons, monstera, and so on belong to. And it has that distinct arum kind of shape of flower, which kind of looks like the horn of a trumpet. Interesting. Now it's got these long and wide dark green leaves and it's got a red petiole, really lovely. There are different varieties of it. I've got some shorter ones in this fish tank, but in another fish tank I've got some longer ones which can get quite tall. These ones are native to freshwater streams in Sri Lanka. These are great low maintenance plants as well. They do like quite a bit of light, but they can do okay in semi-shaded spots. They don't need injected CO2, but of course, if you have it, they're going to grow a lot better. And you might want to know before you get into these that they can experience meltback, and they do experience meltback fairly often. So meltback is just when the leaves die off, but because it has a rhizome, that's actually okay. Now they are pretty sensitive to changing conditions in the water, whether it be, different temperature, we've got a different balance of chemicals and so on, and that can trigger meltback. You'll often get them melting back when you transplant them or plant them in for the first time, but they will grow back and it'll be okay. It's something that happens from time to time when all of your crypts in the tank will die off at once, which is just interesting. It's a lovely plant. My mystery snails quite enjoy them, and my fighting fish likes to hide and kind of sleep in amongst them. Lovely plant. It is Cryptocoryne Wentdi. I think I pronounced that correctly.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.